How to make animated grid background in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag a 4-color gradient in Timeline. Select it, open up Inspector panel, and click on Generator tab. Click on each color and choose another color, here I use red and black. Now click on Effects and drag an adjustment clip in the second track in Timeline. Click on Open FX, search for Grid, and drag it into the adjustment clip. Select the adjustment clip and in the Inspector click on Effects tab. Set major line spacing to 0, horizontal and vertical line width to 0.01, and global blend to around 0.3. Search for Transform and drag it into the adjustment clip. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to position Y to make a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set position Y to -1 to add a second keyframe. Expand advanced options and set edge behavior to wrap around.